In this video, I will show you how to export WhatsApp web chat. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, what I'd like you to do is log into your WhatsApp business account on the web. Once you have that logged in, you're going to go open a new tab and you're going to go to Google and type in WA Export. Now, what we want is to download a Chrome extension called WA Export. So once you find the link that has the WA Export Chrome Web Store link in it, you click on it. Now it's going to ask you, it's going to take you to a page where you can add the extension to Chrome. And once you click on add, you're going to click on add extension. Once the extension is added, your WhatsApp page is going to, the web page is going to reload. And what we want to do is we want to come to WhatsApp. We want to click on the extension button at the top, and we want to add that extension to our extensions. Now here you're going to click on, you're going to either click on the chat that you want to export, or you're going to come to the icon, and under the icon right here, you can choose the chats that you want to export. Now you can choose all chats, or you can choose particular chats of people that you want to export. Now, once you're done choosing the chat, it gives you the choice to choose the dates that you want to export the chat from. You give a start date to an end date, which is the 2, and then you're gonna have the choice to either choose an HTML, PDF, chats in CSV, or chats in text file view. And once you're done, you can choose whether to export with media, to get chats from mobile, download background. These are all optional. You can choose them. And then once you're done with that, you click on download, and it's gonna allow you download your chat. You see it right here as a zip file. And once we open it up, you can see the chat right here, and you can see the HTML file of the chat right here. Now that's how to export WhatsApp web chat. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.